This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Kayla McMahon. Welcome to your new home in the heart of Tampa at Oxford Place in Tampa Palms. This beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo offers a desirable split floor plan with dual master suites, perfect for privacy, roommates, or guests. Located on the top floor, 3rd level, you'll enjoy peace, quiet, and plenty of natural light. Nestled in a gated community, this unit offers resort-style amenities including pool, fitness center, and clubhouse, perfect for entertaining or unwinding after a long day. You'll love the open-concept living and dining area, the spacious kitchen with ample cabinet space, the 2 large master bedrooms with walk-in closets and ensuite baths, the private screened balcony, and its in-unit laundry. Location is everything, and this one checks all the boxes. Just minutes from I-75, you'll enjoy quick access to downtown Tampa, Tampa International Airport, shopping centers, restaurants, movie theaters, and more. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or exploring the city, you're right where you need to be. Ideal for anyone looking for a rental in a prime location. Schedule your showing today and experience comfort, convenience, and community all in one. For more information,